What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. And I'd like to say Happy Pride Month to all my LGBTQ viewers. And even though I don't fall into the LGBTQ community myself, I still give the LGBTQ community my full support. So, if you don't know about Pete Buttigieg, let me tell you about Pete Buttigieg. Pete Buttigieg ran for the Democratic nomination for the 2020 presidential election and has recently made history as the first ever openly gay member of the US cabinet. I recently read his autobiography and it was a great read. I highly recommend it to anyone interested in politics or LGBTQ rights. So what does this recipe have to do with Pride Month or Pete Buttigieg? Well, Pete Buttigieg got some heads turning in the past because he said he would not be against eating ranch and salsa together. A lot of people thought that was pretty gross, but hey, I try to keep a pretty open mind, so this dish I came up with was inspired by Pete Buttigieg, and I wanted to make it for Pride Month. And for this recipe, you will need. I'm not going to do exact measurements with this because I just want to have a little fun with it. But anyway, you'll need some vegan chicken, some taco chicken seasoning, some tortilla bowls. I'm using mini bowls just because, but you can use regular size bowls if you want to. Some vegan shredded cheese, and of course some salsa and ranch. I did a review on Hidden Valley's plant-based ranch. If you want to see that, I'll have it linked down in the description below. Alright, without any more delay, let's get cooking.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
All right, and here we have our vegan chicken ranch salsa tortilla bowls. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget, drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.